everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In this video I am going to share with you my jewelry haul. So I thought of buying some jewelry for myself, jewelry, bangles and all girly stuff like bindis, so that I can wear those jewelry in the functions that I have at home, and if I am going out or anywhere, then definitely I can wear them, and it gives such a pretty festive look. That's why I thought of purchasing them, and everything is very affordable, friends. I think nothing is above rupees 300. Along with that, they are of really very good quality. So some products I have bought from Flipkart, and some of them are from a local store that is a very good store that I visit sometimes, and they have such a good bangle collection. So I bought so many bangles for me as well from that shop. So I'm going to share everything with you in this video, but before that, please don't forget to subscribe, and also please give this video a like and share if you liked watching this video. So without wasting any time, let's begin. So this is a set of 4. You can see these pink bangles I'm talking about. You can see, friends, they look so pretty, so beautiful, and this is also going well with my attire. You can see with my pink suit. So this has costed me around rupees 100 for 4 sets, which is really very affordable, and the quality is very good, friends. You can see the quality is really good. The stone quality is really very good, and it looks so this head band. You can see I have bought this from my local store for only rupees 20, and the quality is really good. It is not bad, and I really love these pom-poms. They're so cute. You can see, friends, and this one I have bought for my makeup tutorial, so that my hair stays in place and my makeup is not ruined, and my hair is also not ruined during makeup, and it looks so pretty, friends. You can see all the bangles I have received like this in packs, in cardboard packaging like this, and they have really packed the bangles really well. So this is the next bangle that I have. You can see these are called Pola in Odia, friends. You can see, and these bangles are made of plastic. Actually, they are not glass, and you can see the design, friends. There's a stone over here, big stone over here, and around that there are small stones, rhinestones, and they look so pretty. And the cost of one set, that is 2 bangles, is rupees 90, which is really good. Actually, the quality is really good. So for this quality, rupees 90 is okay. It is a good. So next I have this bangle. You can see it is well packed in this plastic sheet. Bangles are actually called as chudi in Odia, and these are made of glass. You can see. So these are called pani chudis, and you can see they look so pretty. These are grey in color. So next I have these bangles. You can see. So the first one is made of metal. These bangles are very colorful and very beautiful, and there is a very good sign as there are stones as well. The stones are golden in color, and these are made of metal. You can see. So the cost of this is little bit more. This has costed me around 130. But for rupees 130, I really like the quality. The quality is good, and they look so beautiful, so stunning. I just like them so much. And this is made of glass. You can see glass stones, and these are also multicolored. You can see. And this is for gifting purpose for one of my family members. With many outfits, this type of bangles will look really good, and with saris, suits, it will look very pretty actually. So next I have these bangles, and these are glass bangles actually. It's a dozen of bangles. So you can see these are also multicolored, and this one I have bought so that I can team up with these bangles. So you can see so pretty. You can see. So when I'm teaming up with these metal bangles, it gives a very pretty look. So I thought of purchasing them, and I really like these bangles so much. I'm very happy with these bangles actually. So next I have these bangles. You can see these are also multicolored. These bangles are so beautiful. I like them so much, and as I have said you before, such type of bangles which are multicolored are my all-time favorite, and I like to wear such type of bangles. And you can see, friends, the shine, wow, looks so gorgeous. And according to the quality, rupees 110 is not bad actually. So next I'm going to show you some bindis that I bought from my local store, and the first one is this one. You can see it is a multicolored bindi pack. You can see, and one of them I'm wearing right now, and it looks so pretty, friends. There's a stone, there's a rhinestone over here, and this retails for only rupees 10, which is so affordable. So I thought of purchasing this, and this will go with many of my attires, with many of my dresses, saris. So I thought of buying this. Next I have these plain bindis, this maroon bindis that I bought, and this is from a brand called Itex. you can see. So ITEX is actually a renowned brand, and many ITEX products are available in market. So I bought this, and I bought 2 packs of this bindi actually. So this is one, and another one I'm using right now, and this also I have bought for only ₹10. And next I have this bindi from ITEX, and this is a bit small from this bindi, you can see. So this is also for me. I'm going to wear this and on daily basis, as I'm married, on daily basis I usually wear bindi, so that's why I bought this one. And I have bought 2 packs of this bindi, and this also retails for ₹10. So next I have this bindi, and this is from a brand called Genie, and this also I have taken for ₹10, you can see. So these are little bit big with a stone, rhinestone, and it also retails for only ₹10. Next I have this bindi, this maroon bindi with a rhinestone in between, you can see, and it also looks so pretty and beautiful, and this also I have taken for ₹10 only. I have some bangles that my mom has gifted me, so I thought of sharing this with you as well. So these are the 4 bangles that she has given me, you can see. These are made of golden stones, you can see, and these are metal bangles, and they look so pretty. I'm so happy with this, and I'm really thankful that she has gifted me these bangles. So next I have some bangles which also my mom has gifted me, and you can see these bangles. These are also made of metal, and it is made of golden and orange stones. So friends, the next product that I have is this one, you can see. So this is from a brand called Arijit Creations. The price of this is only ₹330, and it is so affordable, so cheap, and it looks so pretty, so gorgeous, you can see friends. This is basically a choker set with mirror work, you can see, and it is an oxidized silver jewelry, and it looks so pretty friends. It gives such a pretty festive look, you can see. And the earrings are not at all very heavy, they are very lightweight, and the quality is outstanding. The quality is so good for the price, and this product I really liked, and I am just enjoying wearing this choker set, and these earrings are so lightweight, so comfortable. So I am not getting any irritation or sensation around my neck while wearing this choker. It is not sharp, there are no sharp edges or pointy edges. So I really liked wearing this jewelry, and I highly recommend. So definitely I'll give the link in description box if any one of you wants to buy this choker set. You can see this is a very pretty choker set, multicolored choker set, and this one I have taken from Flipkart, and the brand name I don't remember exactly. I will definitely give the link in the description box. So you can see it looks so pretty, so beautiful. The quality is amazing. It is not very heavy, it is lightweight. I really like the design of this neck piece so much. Definitely you can team up this choker with any western outfits, Indo-western outfits, and it will look very pretty. You can see these are the earrings. These are also multicolored, as you can see. These are also very lightweight. So next I have this jewelry from Jhaveri Pearls, and this is a set. The packaging is so good. I just like the packaging a lot, and the cost of this is only ₹249, which is so affordable. And in this I have got a mang tikka and a pair of earrings, as you can see friends, so gorgeous. And the earrings are not at all heavy friends, that's why I like this set so much, because I don't like to wear very heavy earrings, and they really are very painful on ears. And this mang tikka is also very gorgeous. It has a very pretty kundan work, as you can see. The quality of this product is outstanding. It gives a very sophisticated and glamorous gorgeous look, which looks very elegant at the same time. If you are thinking to buy anything for coming festival season, or if you are having any functions and all, you can definitely take this set. It will give a very pretty look, and I highly recommend this. So guys, next I've taken these jhumkas from my local store for only ₹150, which is very affordable for the quality. They are very lightweight, and along with the same time they give such a pretty traditional look. And I really like them so much. So the next and the last product that I have are these earrings, you can see. The design is so pretty, and these are made of metal actually. As you can see, there is also very pretty peacock over here, pretty peacock design over here, you can see. And this one I have taken from my local store, and the cost of this is only ₹50 friends. I just can't imagine for ₹50 I've got such a pretty piece. It is very unique and different, so that's why I picked these earrings. So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this video and the jewelry that I bought. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, love you all.